This is a banger.
I know.
This is absolutely stunning. My mother will tell me off, but man, that is finger looking good.
It is good. Both teams will be responsible for designing and dishing up an 8-course degustation meal. And that is for Simon and I.
So I guess with degustations, it's a lot of small meals over a longer period of time. So you actually get to try a little bit of everything. It's not when you go to a restaurant and have just, you know, one entree, one main, one dessert. You're getting 8 courses.
And there's just lots of like wow factor involved, I think. And
Yeah, the meals are often a lot more creative than just your normal standard like restaurant meals.
What we want is for it to have a theme. It could be based on a cuisine, Italian, for example, or romance, perhaps the seasons. You'll want all your dishes to work well together. So you're going to need to think of the menu as a whole. Now, you've got all these funky names I've heard. So the first one is Kai-ora.
So kia ora, you know,
Yep.
is the general
As hello.
term,
Yep.
but we changed it to kai because it's food. So it's like a
Okay.
food welcome.
She'll be ripe.
Yeah, because we're using some beautiful tomatoes. And then the next one's super power because we're serving an artichoke soup with some seared power.
That's nice, dear.
Yeah, so we're doing a crusted venison carpaccio. And gone fishing, that's the boys. They're doing a fish dish, hangi, cheers honey. So we're doing like a cheese and honey savoury dessert.
Cheese course is great.
Yeah.
And God gave us...
Pineapple lumps.
He certainly did.
It's a chocolate pineapple
Dessert.
Yeah.
You're breaking down the old pineapple lump and you're reinventing it, basically.
Yeah, yeah.
In essence, I think this looks like it really works. Honestly, I'm so excited.
Team leader, come.
Yes.
You got to say. Try the rock. Try the rock, please. Try the rock. More heat.
No, no more heat. That's nice.
Today I'm making a crusted venison loin with pickled beetroot and cucumber jelly. To be fair, I'm not confident about my dish at all because, 1, I haven't had a lot of experience dealing with venison. 2, I just bloody hate beetroot. Like, if I go, like, you know, go to McD, get a kiwi burger, I would throw that beetroot out. I wouldn't eat it, you know? But the guys sold the idea to me of doing a pickle with it. I thought, I like pickles, so that might work. Oops. Uh-oh.
yeah, a little bit keeping an eye on Jack today because it's still quite volatile. Not sure how he's going to go.
I made an absolute mess. Can you open a piece of glad wrap for me? I'm having cuts. Just open a clean piece of glad wrap and then cut it.
Are you happy, or do you want me to do it?
No. Let's do it.
Really get it tight.
I think just now was too thin, the layers. You know what I mean? Now it should go. Yeah.
Oh, look, he's nearly out of there anyway.
Okay,
So this is the start of the soup.
Jerusalem artichokes.
Yep.
Simple dish.
It is simple, but I think the flavours are there. Like, I think that you've still got to get the balance.
Power.
Yeah.
Shiitake mushroom, Jerusalem artichoke.
Yeah.
How are you cooking the power?
We're going to pan sear it, like just touch it on the heat, but in slivers.
Have you cooked it before?
I've cooked baby powers, but I haven't cooked the
Quite
big
a big
ones.
one, that
It's
one,
a lovely one, yeah.
You're going to trim it up and clean
yeah,
it all up?
I'm going to have help. My help is either side of me.
You girls have cooked a lot of power before, haven't you?
Yeah.
James and Glenn, Beck and Jamie, you're up in 5 minutes with your dishes.
Your hands are sweating. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. It's got to be very gentle. Yeah. I'm not loving that plate.
I think we just leave it. I like it.
I kind of just wriggle, not push, just wriggle my way in.
3 minutes.
I like that one. I think this is too big. I think let's just keep it simple like that.
Okay. Oh, be very careful with them.
You drop them, you're dead.
I want the first dishes up in 90 seconds, please.
Who's got steadier hands?
15 seconds.
Leave.
No, that's it.
That's it.
Time's
Wait,
up.
wait.
Let's go, guys.
Yay, Jamesy.
I'm really proud of the dishes I woke up them.
Okay, James, what do we got here?
We're going to take you on a road trip through New Zealand. Here's your keys.
So, I've got the key and I've got a road trip around New Zealand.
That's correct.
Nice, I'll take that. Okay, so first stop.
First stop is inspired by the Coromandel, land of seafood and fruit. Seared scallop with a poached pear through the middle, mango sauce, and pancetta dust.
Looks wonderful. Presentation's beautiful.
Thanks.
The scallop dish is beautiful. The scallops and the pear actually work really well together. The bacon's lovely. Could have done with a bit more because it would have provided a little bit more of the saltiness to the dish overall. But beautifully cooked and a great way to start. Okay, who's next up?
Casey is.
That is 5 minutes to the next dish, guys. 5 minutes to the next dish should be up.
I think it needs to this one next up.
Is this your dish coming up?
Yes.
Ooh. You need a warmer spoon. So you have a hot
Here's
spoon?
hot water.
Yes.
Make sure you get it up. 1 minute
We will.
30 to go. Good luck.
Yeah, there.
It's allowed to have a bit of a rustic feel to it, right?
Can I put salt?
That's it, guys. Bring it up. Bring up the next dish, please. Now, guys.
Right, Karina, what have we got?
It's called Shelby Ripe. So we've used some New Zealand tomatoes. That's a basil twirl, and it's just a simple goat cheese and whipped cream mixture.
What's the big quenelle under here?
That's the tomato gazpacho sorbet.
She'll be right.
Shelby Ripe.
It looks amazing, guys. I've got to say, well done.
Jenna and Elizabeth's dish looks spectacular. The idea is brilliant with the different flavours that they've put with the tuna, salmon and the scallop, but it just needs a little bit more salt. How about you have a taste and see what you think?
I'd love a taste. Karina's dish is fantastic. The sorbet's really, really punchy. The goat cheese is wonderful and salty. Beautiful flavours. You'll love it, I'm sure.
This is a banger.
I know.
This is absolutely stunning.
I think Jen's dish, they could have gone with some stronger herbs in there, maybe some basil, but don't let me stop you
Yeah,
from
exactly.
destroy.
Because this, I think the proof's in the pudding for me with this. I just want to finish this dish.
Okay.
I just think it's absolutely
It
stunning.
is. Karina and Casey, the girls from Makatu, I love the way they cook. I love their attitude. Full credit to them. That is beautiful food.
My mother will tell me off, but man, that is finger licking good.
It is good.
I look at it and go, it's elegant, it's sophisticated, it's also humble.
So, Nikki, this is Superpower.
Superpower. So it's from the Wairarapa area. Jerusalem artichoke with mushroom dust and a seared pawa.
A little hint of truffle in there as well, I can smell.
Oil, yeah.
Truffle oil. I love the look of this as well. I love the fact that they've used slate, the black power, which is sort of gnarly going through the centre of the stick. It looks and smells absolutely amazing.
Oh my God, you have to try this.
It's fantastic.
Can I have a taste? It's really good.
Get into that.
Beautifully cooked power. And the truffle is just a hint, isn't it? I think it's very clever, very sophisticated dish.
These are two incredible dishes which would sit on any menu in any restaurant in the world. They are absolutely sensational, thoughtful, creative, and beautifully executed.
That piece is ready? Yeah, I'll keep giving you pieces, and you put them on the plate.
I think I feel confident because I know James is helping him. Those two were working really well together.
When I'm plating up, I'm very stressed out because it's such a delicate thing to do. Okay, I need the jelly.
No.
I'll cut the jelly.
Just do one element at a time.
Okay. This will sit nicely. There you go.
Oh, that looks so pretty, Tanisha. Well done.
Thank you, guys. Couldn't make it without you guys.
I think he feels like he's really achieved something.
He's really proud, so.
Catherine would be so proud of me.
Oh, that's going to make me cry.
When he says Catherine would be so proud, that's a heartwarming moment, isn't it? Because, he misses her and, yeah.
No more tears, Jack. No more tears.
No more tears.
Let's go, guys. Bring them up, please.
Taking it up to the judges, I'm so proud of what I've done. I think I found renewed motivation for this competition, and I hope to go far and long with Carrie, with in mind of for Catherine's sake as well.
So, Jack, that's nice deer.
We share the piece of venison loin, marinated with horopito, cayenne pepper, paprika, as well as salt. On top of it, it's pickled beetroot, as well as cucumber jelly.
Looks great, Jack. Looks great. You happy?
Very happy.
I'll tell you what, Catherine might be proud of you.
She will be.
Thank you.
Come on.
Yeah, you want to try that, don't you? How's this?
You taste it and tell me. Ravioli's outstanding. Everything about it is great. I could eat 20 of them.
I mean, it's a faultless dish, isn't it?
100%.
And right on its heels is Jack's venison dish. I've got that heat coming in at the end. I love the cucumber jelly. I think it's a great dish.
You just wouldn't put normally cucumber with venison. The fact that they've actually made that work is the highlight for me. Halfway, I mean...
4 dishes. The quality and the degree of excellence is truly incredible.